Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. I am on my way to Colaba Causeway, town in Mumbai. As you guys have already asked me a lot of times to cover Colaba Causeway, I thought it's raining, but let's just try and see how the market is going to be. So as you can see, it's like really gorgeous. I love this side of the town. Our very own Marine Drive after so long. I really missed it. The vibe is so different. Like, look at this double decker. Where do you get to see a double decker anymore? And we're almost there now. And that's where it all starts. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Tanvi K Vlogs. And much demanded was the Colaba Causeway. So here I am at Colaba Causeway to do the street shopping and show you guys my best picks. So we'll go through this lane. It starts from right here, that's Cafe Mondegas, and we will start from this shop and see what I pick. Lot of shopaholics I see. So this is the first shop with nice chunky necklaces. I love this neck piece for 300 rupees, 200. Angry Ganeshan locket. So I'm at Apollo Imitation Jewelry and they have this lovely piece for 200 bucks. It is something that you can always sport on like your Indo-Western or even ethnic wear, and it will just complete your look. Okay, at the same shop I found this piece. Iska price kya hai? 850. This is for 850. But guys, I think this is the kind of neck piece that can convert any simple dress into a very proper, grand, yet unique kind of look. Like, look at this, it really feels heavy, it really feels like I am dressed up by this one single piece. It's totally worth it. These scarf-like stoles are for 200 bucks. It's good to accessorize like plain t-shirts with, or even like shirts with these scarves. And then you have these small pendants that you also saw on Bandra Linking Road. And the jhumkas. So starting the lane, you have these kind of shops that are more like stalls, and they have like one pieces. This is a linen one piece. This whole set is for 250 bucks. So have other oxidized jewelry. Not yet able to spot something really striking in terms of clothes, but this particular shop, I really like this knitwear kind of top. It looks cute. I mean, yeah, that would be a pick. Fixed rate 500 rupees. They have like a lot of baggy denims, colorful denims and distressed denims for sale. This skirt is amazing for 400 bucks. Very unique. It's a short skirt. It's a proper denim, like non-stretch, and the embroidery is like really pretty. It's a fixed rate policy. This jogger kind of a look in denim is totally good for 500 rupees. And I also like this olive green pant, the joggers. And my non-ending love for jackets, especially when they're structured and olive green. Though this place is looking like really busy and people are shopping, I don't like really see clothes shopping going on all that much. Now this looks like some antique shop, especially when you spot these kind of bags here. Really liked this bag. It's for 350 only. So we call this like a Lakshmi Har when it is in gold, but this looks so cool. I really like this for 350 bucks. Looking like a hub of oxidized jewelry like all throughout the street. So I'm like a big fan of chokers, and these are the kind of chokers that I like. It's they're saying 180 rupees. But you can definitely haggle and get it around 150, 100. So I'm at New Jaipur Gems. You can find it right here, like right at the start. And they have some really nice pendants like these. Like this one is the kill. I loved it for 250 rupees. So Jaipur Gems is going to give you all sorts of jewelry that is going to be unconventional, that is going to be like, you know, specially curated for people who really want to have a collection. We saw exclusive. This is like the common sunglasses that you can find on the road, tattoo piercings, and Jaipur Gems was something exclusive, but you have things like this that you will find, like the bags and the sunglasses. This is something really nice again. This looks like this jewelry that made with beads that you get in Nepal and Northeast. Colaba Causeway, wide variety of handicrafts like these dream catchers and some bags. So on Causeway, whatever shops I see a lot of cotton. Now these are some really fine shirts, but not a lot of variety. Really like this shirt. He's saying 450, but you have to haggle and immediately get it for 250. Antiques and more antiques. As I said, there are a lot of handicrafts, and there are these nice showpieces that you get in Tibet and Bhutan and Nepal. So yeah, you can get them here. They look really fine. This is like the 350 department. These cargos look really worth 350. The color and like the overall look and feel. The skirt is also cool, and the dungarees, they have a couple of them which are decent, which are like good. I mean, worth 350 bucks. But I think because of the monsoons, the clothes are like pretty less and limited. Now this is exclusive and cute. Love this for 300 bucks. It's been a while I got these kind of pants. I totally love them. What I've noticed is there are more like jewelry shops and bags out here, and the clothes that you get are more like cotton and basic. There are a few shops like how we just saw, where you have like denims for 350 and denims for 500 and stuff like that, where it's just few of them, so you need to like really spot them on your way when you're walking through the causeway. But otherwise you have like Kashmiri kurtas, and you have like a lot of jewelry that are like available everywhere, and more of it is oxidized jewelry. Give and Take has got some nice Lucknowi kurta sets. It looks like really vibrant. This would be my pick. It's quoted 800 rupees. A lot of variety of Jaipuri prints and palazzos and skirts. Easy to get on a rainy day or in summers. It's good cotton. And as I said, a lot of handicrafts. So you have like bed runners, table runners, and these cushion covers for 200, 250, 350 bucks, which is like really good. So at Topaz Kolhapuri chappals, you have awesome variety. Like I haven't seen this variety on Bandra. Like this pattern, it looks really sturdy and it looks very earthy, like how a Kolhapuri is supposed to be. Then there are Mojris. It's got very neat finishing. This is the authentic kill, and just the way I like it. Shorts for 200, 250. At Sardar Bag Collection, you have these kind of box bags and clutches, and also the ones that you need otherwise on like Indian wear and stuff. Really nicely designed, very Indian looking, very earthy jute clutches. Iska price kya? 300. That is super cheap. Look really nice. This is for 200, this is for 250, this is for 300, this is for 650. It's a very neat looking box bag. Hey, we have something for the guys, and even I like wearing these colors. And jerseys. I'll make a vlog sometime about it. Honestly, still hunting for something striking. Okay, this is a little bohemian. This is the top for 250 and the pants are for 350 bucks. So walking further, I don't see anything like, again, very striking. I'm just passing by these stalls. Now this looks pretty cute to me. This is for 350 bucks. It's not that they are extremely cheap out here at Colaba Causeway, and these shirts are for 450. You can haggle. This looks something different. I could pick this. Okay, this looks sweet too. More varieties in cotton, like I am seeing this all over this causeway. And then they have anklets, which look pretty interesting to me, and again, major part of it is oxidized, but you do have some chunky funky ones too for 50 rupees. Okay, it looks like it is going to rain, and I hope it does not, because I'm just setting out on the road. Antiques and more antiques, and now I'm heading out to the next two shops where I remember buying a dress from, and this dress is totally worth 400 rupees. They have a lot of other stuff too, and this dress is super sweet. It looks like a bobby frock with like a long body. This top is also really nice for 400 bucks. Here I see something interesting. This could be like an Indo-Western dress, or you could wear it as a kurti. And this dress for 700 rupees is really, really very exclusive. It's layered and off-shoulder. This kaftan is pretty cute, just for a nice boho casual look. Hey guys, so I have left from Colaba Causeway. It started raining and I couldn't like really go till the end of the lane. But more or less what I've figured is they've got a lot of jewelry. Most of it is oxidized jewelry, but they're like really great pieces. The shop that we saw, which deals in Jaipur gems, is a place where you can go to get like really unique customized jewelry. That is something that I would ideally like to wear, which is a little uncommon and which can be your style. We saw across, that was right opposite Leopold. That was really good. They had some really nice dresses. Not the ones that you usually see around Linking Road or like the Elko Market. If you guys haven't watched the vlog, please do go and watch the vlog. The links are right here. I think even the upholstery that we saw at the shop called Give and Take was really good. So that was my take on Colaba Causeway market. I believe I should be doing this once more when it's not raining and I can explore the whole market. But till then, if you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog, please like the video, do subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon. A lot of you are watching the videos, but I think are forgetting to hit the bell icon. For more markets and more suggestions, please comment and let me know. And also remember that I love you all. Mwah.